It is Fentanyl Awareness Day, and Pomona Valley Hospital hosted a demonstration on using naloxone, also known by its brand name Narcan, and also a demonstration on how to use fentanyl test strips. Experts say fentanyl has shown up in nearly every kind of street drug mixed in, and teens are often the targets. Take a listen.
If you're old enough to smoke a vape pen, you have to have a Narcan on you. Okay, because these kids are buying it on the street and they're laced with fentanyl. Everything is laced with fentanyl. They even do the marketing thing with pink cocaine. I mean, pink cocaine is, a good marketing. It ain't defund the police. Okay, it's good marketing, and they're marketing it to kids, and it's different in every batch. So you have to have the Narcan.
Terrifying stuff as a parent to hear all this. And according to the Opioid Task Force, fentanyl is 50 to 100 times stronger than morphine-based narcotics. It's also involved in more American youth drug deaths than heroin, than meth, than cocaine, than prescription drugs. Combine all of those deaths, and you got more opioid deaths, actually. Overdoses in California dropped 22% last year, but officials are saying that the crisis is far from over. All right, we want to